model that.
Okay, so for this project, our materials are small marshmallows, large marshmallows, and spaghetti. We picked the whole grain spaghetti and made it so it's thick because we thought it'd have better, it'd be stronger.
Okay, so right now we are skewering 3 marshmallows, large marshmallows, on each side of a spaghetti stick, and then we're gonna hot glue the corners together. When we were building our base, we ended up having an extra marshmallow on one side, and so it is now a trapezoid shape, which we feel would have good stability.
Marshmallows all along the bottom are acting as the shock absorbers for the shaking.
Okay, so we are putting cross braces in between the walls and on the inner side also to make it so it does not compress down on itself. So we are doing more support going up to shock absorb everything up here, so we'll be moving a lot and there'll be a lot of weight on these lower sections. We want to put as much padding on it as possible.
Definitely gonna go 20 seconds, no problem. That, right?
Okay, so as of right now, we just finished our 3rd floor, and we've added supports on here still, and we have floors to hold the sandbags when we test. Right now we're gluing together like 6 pieces of spaghetti, and they're going to be kind of like floorboards to support the sandbags on each floor, and then we are going to line up more, like I don't know how many that is, but we're going to line up like a bunch more and use them as we get higher up to be more of a support, because it's not at the foundation, so it's not as supported down here, or it's not supported up here as it is down there.
So we made a mistake and thought the cardboard would count as our floor, and it doesn't. So now we're laying spaghetti from the marshmallows to support sandbags in here.
So right now we're working on our 5th and final floor, and we're kind of facing a problem because we don't want to sacrifice points to use glue. So we're going to try and get as far as we can without using glue. And our plan right now is to make a cone-shaped top. This is where the 5th floor is going to sit, so we can put sandbags. And then we're going to make an area in here with mesh and marshmallows to fit our egg in.
Ted, how do you feel about this?
Stressful.
Okay, right now we're going to get a plastic Easter egg to test to make sure it fits on our 5th floor, because if not,
we have
a problem.
Yes, we have to go to
Bona.
Mr. Bona's room.
Or Palmiato if he doesn't have one. So.
Because Waz
We're
doesn't have any yet.
hoping. Yeah, so we hope it fits, or else we have a huge problem.
Yeah.
So.
Oops. Okay, so Mr. Bona has a class, and we didn't want to interrupt him. So we're going to try Mrs. Palmiato and hope that she doesn't have one too.
Because if she doesn't have one, we gotta go back to Bona.
Yeah. And that
Running
would
around the school.
That'd be really scary, so
Yeah.
cross our fingers.
Okay, so we went to Palmiato, Strode's, and we stopped by the art room in Spaziani, and none of them had an Easter egg, so looks like we gotta go interrupt Bona's class.
Okay, so we've decided to not go interrupt Bona's class and just hope for the best, hope that it fits, and I guess we'll see what happens.
So right now we're trying to pick a scale for our drawing, because currently it's 22 centimeters by 7 centimeters and then 55 centimeters. And so we're thinking that 1 centimeter on the paper should equal 4 centimeters on the model, but we're not really sure yet. It's going to take a lot of trial and error to get like a good number.
What happened?
The support broke, and I'm trying to get all the glue out of this gun that we can because we ran out of glue.
So, in our scale drawing, there was some math. So if 1 centimeter on the scale equals 3 centimeters in real life on a model, then every measurement we made on the model had to be divided by 3 in order to get how high it should be on the scale drawing. So since this length was 22 centimeters in real life, we divided that by 3 and got 7.33 centimeters on our scale drawing. So that's what it was. We finished!
Somewhat. So we started off with a completely different design than this. We still use parts and pieces of it. So our first starting design, we had a core going up through the middle, and we ended up not using that idea because we didn't know how sturdy that would be. And we did use the cross brace idea that we had in our first drawing. In the final drawing, we had added on this point at the top to hold our egg. And we did not have that in our original drawing.
So our egg will end up sitting in this platform.
Yeah.
I'm shaking.
Yeah.
We'll test it and see how it goes.
Now get it back here to main group.
The who's group?
Okay, we're feeling pretty good. It survived the sandbags. Okay, it survived the sandbags being put on it. We're a little scared that the egg won't fit at the top in our area.
No, we're not. No, we're not. We're not scared of anything. We're gonna win.
Okay, we're gonna win, so we're not scared. But I don't know. It doesn't look threatening, I guess. We're feeling good.
All right.
Yeehaw.
So we just tested his egg, and it didn't fit in here, but we got really nervous. But it turns out he has a smaller one, so it's good. We're safe.
It's all good. If not, then everyone's gonna need to say it. Just don't say your name.
Good. One X. Good to go.
Oh,
You just see.
2 X.
I forgot.
Calls is 1 8 wire. Okay, 20. Hey, here you guys need that.
Carrie, it's fine. Everything is fine. That one little.
Yeah, I know the top was kind of just that was just decoration.
Really?
Yeah.
Shield. Shield yourselves from flying metal.
Oh, thanks, Sarah.
Seconds.
Oh my gosh. Our top was
Okay, take that off. Take that off.
It survived.
Oh yeah, yeehaw.
Our top fell off. Our point.
And the egg support right here broke, so our egg slipped out.
On the second
Yeah,
in the
halfway
video.
through the second one.
And oh, you gotta take the candy out. One of our supports broke.
Yeah.
Yeah, one, no, like 4 of them show up, but it's still good.
Yeah.
We got 100, that's all that matters.
It survived.
Or whatever.
I'm gonna run the egg back. You guys keep talking.
It survived.
Yeah.
It shook a lot on the third one. Like the top shook more than it.
But it's still, see,
It,
look at this.
it lived.
See, it's all good.
So I think we're feeling pretty good.
Please keep your pants on.
Jill Foster, please be with us in this moment of Carrie testing her tower.
In real life, we got down by 3. We got.
I just got this out.
We're gonna make an area in here with.
Use this strategy.
Fingers are sticky.